Alright, so hello people, I was just wandering on Airbnb when I saw something nice, something really cool and slick, a little animation. So whenever you click on the pictures, you scroll and you can see that the heading are being dragged down like that. And it's kind of great, I like it, I like that UX. And it's really easy to do. Okay, so I will show it to you. I will show you how to do that kind of sticky effect in pure CSS. See you. Okay, so we are in a real simple folder with one index HTML and one style CSS, and we also do have two pictures from Unsplash and from Roma. Okay, great. So we can just hide it and hide that, and we would just take our index and style. So something like that. Great. So right there, we do need some really simple HTML. So for example, h1 sticky Airbnb effect. And then we are going to create one big column, and inside that column there will be some rows. Okay. With one heading content on the left, for example, kitchen or living. Okay. And after that, a picture container. Okay, even a pictures container. And inside it's image resources / Spanish steps, for example, .jpg. Okay, so I won't write into the alternative text right there, but if this is a real example, a real website, don't forget to fill the alt attribute. Okay, so now that we have one row, we can just copy and paste it. And I will just change the text real quick, like I will put some dummy text, kitchen, bathroom, and pasture, for example. Great. Okay, and just there I will just change it to Trevi Fontaine. Okay, so not there, probably there, Trevi Fontaine and Trevi Fontaine. Okay, great. So we can just open with live server. Yes, and we will have something like that. So now we do need to add some CSS. It will be real simple. So for the H1, text align center, font size. If you want to add some easy responsive font size, you could add something like 3 vmin plus 30 pixel. And for example, some margin, 80 pixels, 0, 200 pixel, just to add some content right there, okay, to be able to scroll. Then the column will take a max width of 900 pixel and a margin 0 auto to center it. Okay, great. We do have some space right there. We are going to give that flex space to the living section, to the heading content section. So to do so, first we need to play with display flex on each row, like that. Great. And then heading contents will take the remaining space with flex grow 1, just like that. Okay, great. So we do have some space to scroll. It's really great. Now we can just finish our effect with heading content H3, font size 25 pixel, for example. Okay, great. A bit of padding, 0.50 pixel, and then the position sticky. Okay, so this is a rarely used position, but it can be really nice in some animation. And basically, you don't need JavaScript to do that kind of stuff. But if you just add position sticky, it won't work. Look, it won't work. You need to add a starting point, for example, top 0, and top 0 right there will be relative to the top of the viewport. Okay, so the visible area right there. And so whenever the top of the viewport will hit the top of the H3, it will just drag it till the end of its sticky container. So the sticky container is the parent, okay, so the heading content. And yeah, voila, it's working, you see, something really easy to do. And if you want to have some kind of padding to it, like under Airbnb, you could add something like 10%. And so whenever there is 10% between the H3 and the top of the viewport, it will just drag it till the end of the sticky container, just like that. Okay. All right, so that's it. It's pretty easy to do and kind of beautiful. All right, see you next time for some coding tutorial.